Choose the correct word. The manager gave us a quick blank of the project. The correct answer is overview. Which sentence is correct? The correct answer is the dog barks loudly. Identify the correctly used preposition. She arrived blank the airport early. The correct answer is at. Complete the sentence. The teacher advised the students to blank their mistakes carefully. The correct answer is revise. Pick the correct adjective. The blank day made us feel energized. The correct answer is sunny. Choose the appropriate conjunction. Blank he was tired, he finished his homework. The correct answer is although. Fill in the blank. She has always been blank about learning new languages. The correct answer is enthusiastic. Choose the sentence with the correct structure. The correct answer is rarely do people visit this area. Which sentence is correct? The correct answer is she didn't eat anything. Pick the correctly spelled word. The correct answer is supersede. Fill in the blank. He's very skilled blank crafting wooden sculptures. The correct answer is at. Choose the correct phrase to complete the sentence. The movie was too blank for children. The correct answer is frightening. Which sentence uses the correct form of the verb? The correct answer is, he plays the guitar beautifully. Select the correct article. He has blank unusual talent for art. The correct answer is in. Choose the correct preposition. She walked blank the garden admiring the flowers. The correct answer is through. Pick the correct word to fill in the blank. The guest speaker's talk was blank inspiring. The correct answer is truly. Choose the correct verb. They blank planning to leave early tomorrow. The correct answer is are. Complete the sentence with the correct phrase. It's important to be blank when giving instructions. The correct answer is clear and concise. Which word best completes the sentence? He's been blank late recently. The correct answer is frequently. Pick the correctly spelled word. The correct answer is beneficial. Choose the correct conjunction. He studied hard, blank he didn't pass the exam. The correct answer is though. Fill in the blank. Her story was blank interesting that everyone listened attentively. Identify the correct sentence. The correct answer is, we went to the museum yesterday. Pick the correct article. Blank best way to learn is through practice. The correct answer is the. Fill in the blank. She was blank, surprised to see her friends waiting for her. The correct answer is absolutely. Choose the sentence with the correct order. The correct answer is, there is not enough time to finish this. Identify the correct preposition. She is responsible blank managing the team. The correct answer is for. Which sentence uses the correct comparative form? Fill in the blank with the correct word. It was blank a sunny day that we went to the beach. The correct answer is such. Choose the correct verb. We blank enjoying the show when it started to rain. The correct answer is were. Pick the correctly spelled word. The correct answer is concede. Complete the sentence. Blank the time you arrive. We'll be ready to leave. Which sentence is grammatically correct? The correct answer is she wishes to go abroad. Choose the correct synonym for eager. The correct answer is keen. Fill in the blank. The athlete trained blank for the competition. The correct answer is hard. Which word completes the sentence? They decided to blank their mistakes. The correct answer is correct. Choose the correct verb form. He blank finished his work before the deadline. The correct answer is had. Select the correct phrase. The decision was made blank haste. Fill in the blank. She found the book blank useful for her research. The correct answer is extremely. Identify the correct sentence. The correct answer is the flowers bloom in spring. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel mcqs Quiz for more fun quizzes like this, and see you in the next video.